Hello and welcome to our next innovaphone myApps tutorial. In today's video we will be introducing our Switchboard app. This app is a professional switchboard integrated into myApps for convenient and efficient call management. Please go ahead and open the Switchboard app by clicking onto the icon. First, you will need to select your telephone. You can use the hamburger menu at the top right corner to change the phone. Here, you can also choose between two display options and edit your shortcuts. At the top left, there's a search field. You can look for contacts and get more details by clicking on the arrow. You can add a contact to your busy lamp field. The busy lamp field provides an overview of all added contacts and indicates the presence status. Click on a user for additional functions. You can also create different groups and sort contacts via drag and drop. If the busy lamp field is too small for you, you can use the button at the top left to undock the busy lamp field into a separate window. In the center of the screen, you will see the call management. Incoming and outgoing calls can be managed here. Select the respective call and use the buttons to manage the desired action. You can accept an inbound call directly by clicking on Connect, or you can transfer the call to someone else. To do so, first click on the Transfer button and then on the transfer icon right next to the user to whom the call shall be transferred to. Once you accept a call, you have additional options to select from. You can place the call on hold. The call will remain connected while the caller will hear hold music. If you park a call, everybody can accept the call via the Switchboard app. Here too, the caller will hear hold music. With the microphone symbol, you can mute your microphone. In order to start a conference, place the first call on hold. Then you start a second call with another person. Now select the call on hold and click on Conference. If someone is calling into a waiting queue, you can pick up this call even if you are not in the waiting queue. To terminate a call, please select the respective call and click on Disconnect. At the top right, you will find the waiting queues. Click on Add Waiting Queue to add a new waiting queue to your list. Use the switch of the waiting queue to leave the waiting queue. By hovering over the number of persons in the waiting queue with your mouse, you will see all the users in the waiting queue. Below the list of waiting queues, you can take a look at the history. All inbound, outbound and transferred calls are listed here. You can sort the list according to date, phone number, name and duration. Use the sorting icon to switch between ascending and descending order. By clicking on a call from this list, more details will be shown. You can send a chat message, initiate a phone call, view contact information, and add the user to a group. Should some of the functions not be available, you may not be authorized to use these. The administrator uses the Switchboard admin app to assign the respective authorization. Watch our next myApps tutorial to learn more about the functions of the Switchboard admin app. Watch all our tutorials on our website, our YouTube channel, or visit the Tutorials app in myApps. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.